All right, if we're trying to get the SBA 5 brace onto a lower, first off, you need to make sure your buffer tube has this jet out at the bottom and isn't perfectly rounded like this. So you need to make sure that that's what your buffer tube looks like. Second of all, if we look how this works, you've got this little lever that allows you to move it back and forth on the buffer tube. And that pin there is what depresses and comes, but you'll notice if you push this all the way up, it doesn't depress the pin all the way. So what you need to do is when you push this, this part slides down, and then you'll simply pull that all the way down, and you can see that that pin disappears. So with that pulled all the way down, you'll go ahead and slide this on there. Now it's not all the way out. I gotta pull it a little bit more. And then it'll just slide right on. And that's it. And then you'll push this down here, make sure that it's slid into place. And now you can see, you can move it around and it's not gonna come off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.